Hey guys, what's going on? Y'all already know Jaguardaartist cooking swimsuit edition. So guys, I'm about to drop this bomb ass gem on you guys. Y'all already know. Make sure SHEIN got the hot bikinis. Yes. Now the shipping takes a little long, but that's the only problem I have. It wasn't too bad, but it was given like a week and a half. But guys, don't worry about it because you're going to look fab as soon as you get the bikini. So don't trip. So you just have to order a little bit ahead of time. But yes, this right here was like $14 and some change or whatever. And if you want to do the, of course, the overnight shipping or the express shipping, it does cost a little bit more. But yeah, this right here pops on any skin complexion. Make sure you all go and get it because I am dropping the gems. No gatekeeping, okay? Because I got to let y'all know where I'm getting these hot bikinis from because y'all might have y'all little private pool parties. Y'all already know what's the vibes, okay? So today, guys, let's get right into it. We are going to be cooking. No. Okay, so no, we're not doing steak. We're not doing no dinner foods. No, we're not doing breakfast. We are doing lunch, guys. Yes, we are doing lunch today. So, no, we ain't doing McDonald's. We're not doing Burger King. Baby, we are doing Jaguardaartist bomb burgers, okay? So, we about to get right into it. Y'all already know what I need. Yes, you got it right. I need my apron, guys. So, stay tuned. I'm about to get my apron. Y'all already know I got to do the apron. I don't want no grease popping on me. Do you hear me? Nothing at all. So we are definitely about to get into this vibes. Yes. So we're going to do a double beef patty. Add a little bacon, but I'm going to already put all the ingredients up. Y'all already know. So stay tuned. Jaguardaartist bomb burger. I know y'all going to love it because y'all love me. So I'm all right, and lunch is served. We got the good old mumbles. Yes, the bomb burger is served. Yes, indeed. Oh, and we got the fries with the mumble sauce. Mmm. It take you back to them good old curry out days, y'all. Mmm. Mmm.
Follow me.